Hey YouTube, if you know me, you know I love toys, and this, my friends, is the latest addition. ANKI is technically not a toy company. They specialize in AI and robotics. And ANKI OVERDRIVE is not just a gradual evolution of slot car racing, it's a giant leap. I have the ANKI OVERDRIVE starter kit, which comes with 2 cars, a charger, 2 elevation pillars, 1 tire cleaner, and 14 track braces, including curved and straight tracks. The tracks latch onto each other using magnets at their ends. Very elegant. Magnets just make everything better. You use the combination of straight and curved tracks to create custom race courses. The ANKI OVERDRIVE cars have infrared cameras under them with a dedicated processor. The car scans the patterns on the track 500 times a second to understand and estimate the position of the car on the track and to get a complete understanding of the course. Based on its position, the AI car makes complex calculations to modify its speed, make turns, and stay on course. The AI cars can have one of many characters assigned to them that battle against you, using weapons and very clever overtaking moves. The more you play the game, the more weapons and upgrades you can unlock, which will give you that extra edge. According to ANKI, there are 350 weapons and upgrades. If you have friends over, you can get together on a multiplayer mode, which is a lot more fun. I love it when such sophisticated technology goes into simple toys. When you want to start a play, you will have to first let the cars scan the track. You can see how the cars are scanning the track as a virtual version of the track is traced onto your phone. It is pretty cool to see them assemble all perfectly aligned at the start line when they are ready. Now you can choose one of the many game modes to start the race. Based on the characters chosen for the AI cars, each of the cars behave in their own unique way. The weak area of the ANKI OVERDRIVE is its app, at least for the iPhone it is. It has not been optimized and it is a struggle to get the multiplayer game mode going on. I really hope they get this sorted, and please, oh please, get the app to support iPhone 10. They say that an 8-minute charge can give you about 20 minutes of gameplay, but I seem to keep running out of charge after every few games, and once I put it on charge, I almost always find myself doing something better. The starter kit comes with 2 cars, the ground shock and the skull. I purchased another ground shock from eBay. There are other car options as well. Each of the cars are different and they have their own strengths and weaknesses. The 5 other car options that are available as of making this video are the Nuke Phantom, Thermo, Nuke, Guardian, and Bigbang. There are also 3 trucks available: the X52, the X52Is, and freewheel. I know it's like a complete Tesla lineup of automated vehicles. The elevation kit for the track comes standard with the starter kit. In terms of track add-ons, we have rail kit, speed kit, collision kit, launch kit, bank turn kit, and corner kit. There is also a Fast and Furious edition of the entire starter kit. If you're interested in buying them, I'll leave the links in the description. But keep in mind it's over 2 years since they launched, so you'll find them cheaper on Facebook shopping groups in your area or on Spock. And that's been a quick review. Thanks for watching. Take care.